In Dallas, where summer heat can soar and winter chills can be harsh, ensuring your home is energy efficient is more important than ever. One of the best ways to enhance the energy efficiency of your home is by replacing your old windows with energy efficient ones. Not only does this improvement boost comfort and aesthetic appeal, but it also offers significant cost savings over time. Here are the top benefits of energy-efficient window replacements in Dallas. Improved energy savings. The most immediate and obvious benefit of replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones is the reduction in your energy bills. Traditional windows allow heat to escape during the winter and let warm air in during the summer, causing your HVAC system to work harder and consume more energy. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, helping to maintain a comfortable temperature indoors all year round. These windows feature advanced technologies like low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and double or triple glazing that insulate your home better than older window models. By maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature, your air conditioning and heating systems don't have to work as hard, resulting in lower monthly utility bills. Increased comfort. Dallas residents are no strangers to extreme weather, from scorching summer days to chilly winter nights. Old, single-pane windows often create cold drafts in winter and hot spots in summer. This can lead to discomfort inside your home, with rooms feeling too warm or too cold depending on the time of year. Energy-efficient windows help to stabilize the indoor climate by preventing drafts and minimizing the impact of outdoor weather. Whether it's a chilly morning or a blazing afternoon, you'll notice the difference in the comfort levels throughout your home. No more walking into a room that feels too hot or cold, just a more consistent, pleasant environment. Enhanced home value. Investing in energy-efficient window replacements can also boost the resale value of your home. Today's homebuyers are increasingly looking for energy-saving features that will help reduce their long-term costs. In a city like Dallas, where energy expenses can be high, energy-efficient windows are an attractive selling point. Beyond their energy-saving benefits, new windows can significantly improve the curb appeal of your home. With a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to choose from, you can enhance the look of your property while enjoying the long-term benefits of energy efficiency. This is a win-win for homeowners who want to both save money and increase their home's market value. Reduced environmental impact. As energy efficiency becomes a greater priority in our daily lives, the environmental benefits of making more sustainable choices are increasingly recognized. By installing energy-efficient windows, you're not only saving on energy costs but also contributing to a reduction in your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows help reduce the amount of energy your home consumes, which in turn reduces the overall demand for electricity. This can result in less reliance on fossil fuels and fewer emissions, making your home more eco-friendly. It's a small change that can make a big impact on both your wallet and the planet. Better noise reduction. Another often overlooked benefit of energy-efficient windows is the reduction of outside noise. Living in a bustling city like Dallas means that traffic noise, construction, and other outdoor sounds can easily find their way into your home. Older windows with single panes of glass provide minimal sound insulation, which can disrupt the peace and quiet of your living space. Energy-efficient windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, provide superior soundproofing properties. This means less noise from the outside world, creating a more serene and relaxing environment inside your home. Whether it's the sound of a busy street or the noise from your neighbors, you'll be able to enjoy a more peaceful living experience with energy-efficient windows. UV protection for your belongings. Dallas is known for its abundant sunshine, which can lead to fading and deterioration of furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Traditional windows often allow harmful UV rays to penetrate indoors, which can cause irreversible damage to your possessions. Energy-efficient windows are equipped with special coatings that block harmful UV rays, helping to protect your interior furnishings from fading. This added protection not only preserves the aesthetics of your home but also prolongs the lifespan of your belongings. Conclusion: replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones in Dallas provides a wide range of benefits, from reducing your monthly utility bills to improving the comfort and aesthetics of your home. With a significant reduction in energy consumption, your home becomes more eco-friendly, and the added bonus of noise reduction and UV protection makes it a smart investment. Whether you're planning to stay in your home long-term or considering selling it in the future, energy-efficient windows offer lasting value and a more sustainable living space. It's an upgrade that truly pays for itself over time.